Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2014 Dodge Journey RT and I will show you which fuses and which relays to check in case your cooling fan is not working and your vehicle is overheating. This video will apply to Dodge Journeys made from 2011 all the way up to 2020. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. All the fuses and the relays will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood on the driver's side right here. To remove the cover, you want to lift it straight up. You have these two like holders, you just grab it here and lift it. On the back side of the cover, you will also have a small fuse diagram. And right here, this is the fuse puller you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. And the fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number F148, which is a 40 amp fuse located right here. Just next to the fuse, you will have two relays. This is the radiator fan high speed relay, and this is the low speed relay. The best way to test the relays is using the multimeter, or you can try to replace it with one of the same kinds, for example this one, and see if that makes a difference. If both the fuse and the relays are good, then you will have to dig a bit deeper. You'll have to first check the radiator fan and the wiring towards the fan. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.